WriterZen versus RankAtom, which is the best? This is a very complicated answer to give. This is a comment from one of my viewers here on YouTube, on my channel, and he's asking, can you prepare comparison video? And here it is. This will be a comparison video between RankAtom and WriterZen, but as I said with my reply, I can't say which one is the best, because they both are very good tools, but they are not so similar, and I will explain why. Anyway, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Let's start by saying this big difference, because this is the WriterZen dashboard, and as you can see and as you may know, this is a comprehensive tool. You have a topic discovery, you have a keyword explorer, you have a keyword planner, you have a content creator, and you have a plagiarism checker. So I will say WriterZen is a comprehensive suite of tools where you can project your site, your topics, your clusters, and so on. While RankAtom is a little bit different because it's mainly a keyword research tool. Yes, you can also cluster your keywords. You have some other feature like BERT analysis, and I showed you how it works in one of my previous videos about RankAtom. You can find it here on my channel. You have competitor analysis. This, for example, competitor analysis, you can't do it in WriterZen because you don't have competitor analysis here, while you have it here in RankAtom. Again, RankAtom is way newer if compared to WriterZen. WriterZen has some years, I will say, and RankAtom is born just some months ago. On the Facebook page of RankAtom, you can follow the day-by-day building public update. We are at day 144. And they are also working on something interesting, because they are optimizing the tool, the speed, the security every single day. But let me find something interesting, because they are working on Google Search Console integration. You don't have Google Search Console integration into WriterZen. They are working on grid map keyword research, and they are also working on, here it is, crafting a SERP difficulty algorithm. So they are also working on this one, on SERP difficulty. So I suppose in the next updates here in RankAtom you will also have this new feature. I really like how the developer is working on RankAtom, but I also really like WriterZen because I use it mostly for keyword research, and I find it really good. Now I want to show you how the tool works, specifically for the Keyword Explorer tool, because I can't compare the other parts of WriterZen with RankAtom, because RankAtom doesn't have those parts, so we can only compare the Keyword Explorer tool. But before, if you want to purchase one of the two, remember that RankAtom is still on AppSumo. It's quite cheap at the moment. I bought this license tier 3 because you have 18,000 keyword credits per month. This is an important factor. Here you have something less, but these credits will be consumed very fast. So I choose this license tier 3, $169 lifetime deal. But as of today, when I'm recording this video, WriterZen still has the new lifetime deal offer in place. If we go here on this page, and you can click on the links in the description if you want, as you can see, they are saying 12 deals left. I don't know if this is a marketing number or a real number, but again, you can choose between different plans. In this case, if you like WriterZen, I will choose at least this all-in-one, because you have a good number of keyword credits, you have unlimited AI, you have unlimited plagiarism check, you have 2 extra member seats if you need them. So in this case, I will choose this one. I don't know if this is real, so if you like WriterZen, act fast. But let's try to do a keyword research in both the tools, and let's start with RankAtom, because it's quicker to find keywords with it. Now you can also search with wildcard. So for example, best car, and you can place the asterisk, this is wildcard. So the keyword research tool will find any keyword that starts with the best car and with anything after. Or you can insert a seed keyword. I want to try with these essential oils for hair. It's really not a seed keyword, because it's more a long tail keyword, I will say, but let's try. You can also import keywords if you want by inserting your list here. In this case, I have 10,000 keywords I can import. Country, United States, language, English, and I need to click on this find keywords and just wait. Perfect, my keyword report is ready. I can go inside, and this is my list. And we have some data here. We have a list of keywords, ideas, and RankAtom found 2,439 keywords. I have a search volume. These keywords are not analyzed, because you need to select the ones you want to analyze, and you have some other data, the relevancy, score, these are all high, you have CPC and so on. Again, KGR, I don't have anything because these keywords are still not analyzed. I have some filters here, so I can filter by words, for example, by intent. Maybe I want only informational keywords, 118 keywords, and so on. Now, first of all, let's try to analyze some of these keywords, so we can see how these other values work. So let's filter by informational. I will select all these keywords and analyze. And here it is, I have my SERP analysis now. As you can see, I have this section and also these new values here. I can sort by whatever I want, obviously. And the most important part is this SERP analysis, because the concept here with RankAtom is to find weak spots in the SERP. So places in the SERP for these specific keywords where you have, for example, Reddit to rank at position number 3, Quora to rank in position number 4, and usually these keywords are pretty easy to outrank if you write a good article. Obviously, you need to write a good content, but as you can see, you have this data. You can also filter for weak spots. For example, you just want keywords with at least one weak spot in top 3, let's say. And now I just have these 5 keywords where one of these weak spots is at least in the first 3 positions. We have Quora here, we have Reddit here, and we have a low domain authority site, in this case with domain authority 19th. I also have this KGR value now. So I can know which keywords are good for KGR, for keyword golden ratio. Usually these keywords, the good one, are easier to rank because there is not a competitor, or there are few competitors in the SERP with exactly these keywords optimized. So this is a good factor. And then I have this SSI value. I don't really know what this value is because it's new, so I will need to check, but I suppose is just another parameter to know which keywords are the best. Anyway, I found 5 easy to rank keywords very quickly with just a few clicks here in RankAtom. You can click here and put these keywords in your favorite lists, and you can export your keywords, do whatever you want. Or you can also click on this clusters section, but not always you will have clusters. It really depends on the niche, on the keywords you select, and so on. But usually you can generate even clusters of keywords here. Okay, I don't know why at the moment it's not generating any cluster, but let's just put this down and maybe we will have clusters later. Anyway, now let's do the same search in WriterZen so I can show you the difference, explore new keyword. Even here you can search with wildcard or double wildcard. You have an example here, enter keyword, for example, how to asterisk Toyota Camry. You can search by domain, but it's not really a competitor research. You can find keywords in a specific domain, or you can find the domain as a keyword if you use this section, or you can find keywords as usual. Even here you can import your list of keywords, and if you maybe have both RankAtom and WriterZen, you could also find your keywords here, for example, and then analyze all these keywords here in WriterZen by importing them. In WriterZen you have some more parameters, but again, I like to find the keywords by using the allintitle parameter here. And the allintitle parameter is really similar to this KGR because it's the same concept, keyword golden ratio. Let's insert our seed keyword. Let me go with United States here and English and just search. And these are my data for this specific keyword with all the trend section here. It's the keyword overview search volume month by month for the last 12 months. I also have Google Trends here. So as you can see, I have some more data. I have the SERP in comparison with RankAtom, but that's not all, because now here I have my keyword ideas, and WriterZen found 2,753, so something more, because here I had at the beginning 2,000 and I don't remember. Let me check. 2,000, more or less they are the same. They were slightly more here on RankAtom, 2,800 here and 2,700 here, but more or less the same. Here in WriterZen you also have the trend, so you can see the trend for each keyword. You have this keyword difficulty parameter by Google Ads, by content, by signal, by traffic. You have the SERP. Unfortunately, you can't see this parameter here in one of these columns. I don't know why, but this is not the keyword difficulty parameter I like to use to find keywords with WriterZen. In WriterZen you need some more steps in order to find good keywords, in my opinion. You can filter by phrase match, you can filter by having same terms, you can filter by also search for, and here you have the total. You have some filters, include, exclude, volume, CPC, word count, trending, you can export, you can save your own filters. As you can see, I have some already made filters. For example, if I click on questions, I will only have my questions keywords. If I click here, I can see they are 188, and these can be considered informational keywords, more or less as the one I filtered here for informational. But in this section I don't have an informational filter. I can filter by anything anyway. And as you can see, now I have this cluster button or this golden filter button. You can do both things. So let's say I like these 188 keywords selected. I click on this cluster button, cluster selected, and now I can choose the level of clustering. Let's say 3 is good. So I can give it a name, for example, the same as the keyword, and activate the cluster section. And now I just need to wait just a few minutes. Perfect, and now I have my clusters here, as you can see. In this section with clusters, you can see the search intent, and you can filter for intent, commercial or informational. So let's choose informational. You can filter by domain. I made a specific video for this section. You can filter for non-brands or brands if there are brands keywords. You can filter for SERP type. For example, you want to write a blog article, you can select article, or if you want to write a product review, for example, a product description, you can choose a product. Then you have other filters here, average CPC, buying journey. This is interesting because you can see the awareness kind of keywords or the consideration kind of keywords depending on the article you want to write. For example, you have your micro intent here, expansional, you have enablement, and you have other different kind of micro intent depending on the keywords definition. You can learn how this works by watching the Learning Hub here in WriterZen. You have other filters here, but the most important part is the golden filter. So if I activate golden filter, now I will reanalyze all these keywords in these clusters for all in title, for KGR, call it as you want. As you can see here, is working, is searching for all in title values and golden score values. It will take, I think, 2 minutes. Okay, WriterZen has finished to retrieve these values. Let me get rid of some columns here so we can see better. And for example, this is my first topic in this cluster section. These are all my clusters of keywords. This means I could, for example, write all these articles or some of these articles, the ones that make sense for my topic in this example. And I have these all in title value. I like to go for the all in title 0 keywords. As you can see, I have a keyword here, is lavender essential oil good for hair. I have a 590 volume search. It's an informational keyword and it's all in title 0 with a golden score of 1. The nearest to 1, the better, and these are the values I like to watch for when I find my keywords with WriterZen. I can expand here and see all these other data. And these all in title 0 or golden score 1, it's pretty much the same of these good KGR, because the parameter is the same, the keyword golden ratio. Here it's called the golden score. The difference is here you have a specific value of all in title and the golden score. This is a custom calculation for WriterZen. You could only watch for all in title. This means there are 0 articles in the SERP with exactly this keyword optimized. You want to check every time, because sometimes this value is not really correct. Maybe you can find 1 or 2 articles with this keyword in the title, but anyway, it's a good parameter to watch. And obviously this is just the beginning, because you want a keyword that makes sense, that has a good volume, a good trend, and so on. And here I have other clusters. Each cluster has different keywords. You could insert all these keywords in one specific cluster in the same article, and again watch for all in title value here. So this is how I like to use WriterZen to find keywords. As you can see, it's not so easy as RankAtom. Here it's easier to find the keywords, but yes, you have this KGR here. You don't have a value, you only have good, bad. But this, for example, WriterZen is not searching for weak spots, while RankAtom is searching for weak spots. So the concept of the easy to rank keyword is slightly different between RankAtom and WriterZen. But again, if you want to find the KGR keywords with all in title 0, in RankAtom you can just go for these KGR good keywords and you will be okay, I suppose. Even better if you have many weak spots, as in this case. Now, obviously in WriterZen you have more options, because you can add to lists, you can export, and you can have your brief suggested by AI by clicking here. This is also an AI writing tool, so as I said before, you have many more features into WriterZen than in RankAtom at the moment. But RankAtom, for example, is made by the same developer of TryHumanize. It's an AI writing tool. You can find it on AppSumo, and they can integrate between each other. So once you find your keywords and clusters here, you can import them into TryHumanize and write your articles and your topic clusters there. I don't know why clusters are not working today. Maybe their server is too busy, because it's keeping generating here. But you can see pretty much the same thing, but in a different way here in RankAtom usually. Okay, so these are the main differences between the two tools. In the keyword research section, again, I can't compare the two with the topic discovery with content creator, because these are features that RankAtom doesn't have. I hope you can spot the differences between the two tools. I suppose the keywords you find are pretty much the same, because in both cases they are taken from the Google database, so I suppose the keywords are pretty much the same. But you have different parameters between the two. Again, RankAtom is on AppSumo. You can find the link in the description. I will choose the tier 3 if you want, because you have these keyword credits per month. You also can track your keywords if you want. You have 15 competitor analysis per month. And if you want, you can click on the link in the description and choose WriterZen. When you go to this page, it's the official page, you can click here if this lifetime offer will be still available. You can click here and you will find this page with the lifetime deal, the new lifetime deal. Again, in this case, I will go for this all-in-one because these other two are pretty limited in my opinion. Again, I don't know until when you will have the lifetime deal with WriterZen, and obviously even RankAtom will expire in a bunch of weeks because, as you may know, lifetime deals don't stay here forever. I hope this comparison video between RankAtom and WriterZen was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can watch my previous videos about both these tools by clicking here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.